everyone. Good morning. How are you all? So, how was your weekend? Good? Okay. So, today we have English class. Before we start our class, I would like to share something with you. As you know that on 30th July, we are going to celebrate Orange Day as well as we will do Rakhi making activity. Okay. So for this, I would like to say on this 30th July, we will celebrate Orange Day as well as Rakhi making day. We are going to celebrate Orange Day on 30th July 2020. Students are requested to wear orange color dress on that day. Okay. But if you are not having orange dress, you can take anything that is orange color, like your toys, orange craft sheet, orange color fruit or vegetable, or anything which is available at your home. We don't want you to go out and buy any stuff. Rakhi making activity. Rakhi is around the corner. Let's add more beauty and love to this lovely festival of love and care. This Raksha Bandhan surprise your brothers with your handmade Rakhis made by you just for them. After all, there is nothing like handmade gifts. We are going to make Rakhi with the materials available at our home like thick craft sheets, foam sheets, beads, yarn, ribbon, moli, glittered sheet. Some references of homemade Rakhis are there. As you can see on the screen, you can make Rakhi with the paper, glitter sheet, satin ribbon, okay, and craft sheet also. So in this way, we will make Rakhi on 30th July. So on 4th of August, we are going to start our 1-minute speech activity where every student will be recorded for this activity. So be prepared, start your preparation for 1-minute speech activity. And one more thing which I would like to share, as we give less homework, so it will be given every week. In circular, it has come by mistakes as it was for MNS students. We are giving very less work, so assignments have been given for NLC students. Okay, now we start today's class. We have English class, and in English class, what we will learn today? We will learn story, song, and poems. First, we will start with story. Okay, so the title of my story is Farmer and His Sons. Okay, once there was a farmer. His 5 sons used to quarrel. One day, farmer asked to bring sticks. Each one was able to break it, but it was difficult to break the bundle of sticks. So, the moral of the story is unity is strength. Thank you. Now, we will take song. The title of my song is Making Melody. Okay? Making melody in your heart. Making melody in your heart. Making melody in your heart. Unto the kings of kings. Worship and adore him. Worship and adore him. Worship and adore him. Unto the kings of kings, making melody in your heart, making melody in your heart, making melody in your heart, unto the kings of kings, lords of lords and kings of kings, lords of lords and kings of kings, lords of lords and kings of kings, unto the kings of kings, making melody in your heart, making melody in your heart, making melody in your heart, unto the kings of kings. Thank you. Now we will do poems. Okay. So first poem which we will take is Being Polite. Hold your hand like this and say the title of my poem is Being Polite. We say thank you, we say please and excuse me when we sneeze. That's the way we do what's right. We have manners, we are polite. Thank you. Now let's take another poem. The title of my poem is Dear Mr. Sun. Dear Mr. Sun, it's too hot today. Why don't you just go away? My ice cream is melting. My water is warm. I have to go to work at the farm. Thank you. So in this way, you have to practice for story, song, as well as poems. Okay, and be prepared for 30th July activity, that is Orange Day celebration and Rakhi making activity. Don't forget to practice for 1 minute speech activity. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.